Hello, welcome to IKDL. My name is Justice Umaka. I am your instructor. First of all, I want to say welcome to the year 2023 and I wish you a very happy new year. Okay, as you all know, here on IKDL, we train future civil and structural engineer about civil and structural engineering designs. And today, I'll be showing you the new Stonebridge company structural detailing template. As you all know, IKDL is not up to 1 year. We started our channel last year, which is 2022, and then we have done greatly with your help. We were able to secure more than 1,000 subscribers just last year in less than 5 months. Okay, so this year right now, we want to show you again a new software, which is the new upgrade of the template, Stonebridge Company Structural Template. Now, Stonebridge Company Template is basically focused on making structural detailing easy and stress-free. So this is the new Stonebridge Company template, and it is like a catalog which before, if you had the last release, as you can see the top here, Stonebridge template 2023 release 2.5847. So if you have the previous one, which is the old one, if you're a very good user of this Stonebridge template, you will know that before you can only use it to do a for a building for a part foundation only. Okay, but now for this their new release, which is 2023 release, you can use it to do several type of building. For example, you can see foundation and building on foundation, part foundation, sorry, and building on wide strip foundation, building on beam raft foundation, and building on slab raft foundation, and also pipe foundation, and also a strap foundation. So I'll be showing you how to use this template. Now, for those of you who do not know what they call Stonebridge Company template, now Stonebridge Company template is a template that you use after performing your structural design in most of these advanced design software, just like Protastructure specifically. So after you have done performing your structural design on Protastructure, now if you now extract all your if you now extract all your structural details from Protastructure, you will see that those details are like a messed up. And if you go ahead to go and print it that way, you will see that your printout of your drawing will not look nice. So with the help of this template, you will see with the help of this template, it now makes your drawing very easy, and also it also reduces your workload on your structural design to at least 80% using this template. Now, let me just show you a glance of what this template can do after your structural design. As you can see it right there, this is like a sample of what you'll be able to see by the end of your structural detailing, and also it also have a free video on how to use this template for your to perform your full structural detailing after your Prota structural design or Tekla structural designer. Okay, so right now, if you want to perform for a part foundation, all you have to do is to click on, as you can see, the first thing here to do is to read the instruction. They say to access each detailing template, click the above tabs, click the click the buttons tab above. So all these things here are like a buttons, and these buttons will take you to each of the templates. Now, each of these buttons specify the kind of template. For example, if you performed a building on Protastructure that has a part foundation, all you have to do after you're done with your design, and then you have now produced your and then you have now produced your detailing. For example, let me just show you. If let me open one of my folder on okay, first of all, if you want to get this Stonebridge template, I would say you should check on the link down below and then download that. It is not free and it is not that expensive, but I'll tell you that it will help you to lessen your work to at least 80%. So all you have to do once you get this template from your download, you will see it like this on your downloads folder, like a zip file. So all you have to do is just to copy it right now, copy it onto your document. It must be on your document for it to function very, very well. So copy it to your document. Let me just copy paste it now. Now once you paste it, you have to just click here and then click on extract file. So once you extract it, then you can see that it's extracting. Then you can now locate where it is, as you can see it here right now. Then you will just open this place called Stonebridge template 2023 release 2.5.847, and then open it and then open the file, and that's all. And then you will just get back to what we have here. So let me just take it off, or because I already have it on the system. So let me just take it off on this place. So right now, this is now what we have just now. So if you click on this template right now, so it will try to show you like a warning. So if it's not yet activated and you didn't get it from the direct file using the link down below, you will be seeing this kind of warning. As you can see it here, you will see this kind of error, say unexpected error has occurred. But if you get it directly, then you will be able to use it perfectly. So let me just close right now and then go and take it from the download folder, which we already have here. So I'll go to my download folder right now on this place, download folder. Okay, here, then copy it from here. Just copy right now. Go to my this place here, go down and then just paste it first. So once I paste it just now, I'll just unzip it here. So by the time I just unzip here right now, so once I unzip, here, yes, yeah, extract here. So once I extract right now, I will now open it from this place. It must be on your document folder, else it will not work. So like I said before, that very error you saw was if you don't get it from this link. If you get it from any other place, it will not work. So right now, you now have to open this place just now and then open the file. Then it will you just wait for it to open up. Now once it opens up right now, from this instruction here, which says to access each detailing template, click the button tabs above. So these are the button tabs for each of the buildings. So right now, if I did a building on which is resting on a part foundation, so and I want to perform my detailing for that kind of building. So I'll just click on this place right now on the button, and then I can see that since it is a valid one, it is loading. You will not see any error if you use this link below. Okay, so right now I'll just wait it for it to open, and then start to open up right now. So once it opens up right now, you will see a template for specifically for buildings on part foundation. And not only that, you will also see examples of what you have and how to arrange your structural drawing based on the Stonebridge. You can see the Stonebridge here, based on the Stonebridge template. You can also see how to arrange your drawing. After your cover page, you arrange your general construction notes and all the notes that you want to add, which you can also see samples, which you can also edit by yourself if you want to edit it and change your cover or another. You can change it by yourself here. Let me use 50 if you want to use the 50. So you can do all that by yourself, and then okay, so but the main thing right now is for you to see how all the works are being arranged. As you can see it here, after your foundation layout comes with your footing detail, and then your column, and then your first floor layout. As you can see it perfectly arranged. So this is how this template will produce your drawing for you. As you can see it here, how neatly it is. Okay, so now let us dive in right now to show the full practical aspect of it, of what you see. Okay, so right now you can see that this is like a box. So this is where it is being authorized for you to perform your detailing. If you do it outside this place, you might begin to have some errors on your detailing. So this is the box where you can do your detailing to get it very, very right. Okay, so right now I'll just go and then open up a Protastructure detailed drawing. So let me just open my Prota folder here and then open a drawing that was done on Protastructure. Let me open this one. Let me see. Okay, so if you are very conversant with the software Protastructure, you know that this is how your drawing looks like after you're done with your detailing. So this is how the software Protastructure gives you your drawing. So by the end, once you're done with your drawing, you just have to copy it. Once you're done um, generating all your drawings from the software Protastructure. This is how you get it. It's not always right. If you go and print it this way, you will not be able to see all this text clearly. Everything will look dark and messed up. Like as I told you, a good design but a poor detailing makes a building to collapse. So the two for your building to stand firmly or to be stable, the two must be okay. If you have a good design, you also have to have a good detailing. That is why I am fully recommending this Stonebridge company template for you because it gives you every guidelines needed. Okay, so right now, once you're done with your product structure, what you have to do right now is just to copy the file right now. So you have to copy the file. Now, this building, let me say it is based on a part foundation. So I'll just copy it right now. So once I copy this right now, copy my file just now, and then so once I copy my file just now, let me just close this other one here. So once I copy my file, no, I will not save. So once I copy my file, after I'm done with my product structure, I copy the file, and then let me just copy again. So once I copy this file just now, let's just come up. Tend to copy. Okay, once I copy this file just now, and then to now begin your full structural detailing after Protastructure, you just have to escape the copy and then go over to the very template if you have the template already. And then once you come here right now based on the kind of building you designed for, if the foundation of that building that you designed for in Protastructure was on part foundation, then you have to now click on part foundation. So in that case, we did that building on part foundation. So I'll just come here right now and click on the button for part foundation. And automatically it will open the template, which is specifically for buildings on part foundation. And then when it opens, you will now paste that your copied Protastructure and leave it for at least some like 30 seconds for it to now auto generate all your drawings to a standard way of structural detailing. So right now, I'll just go right now, right click here and then go here and then say paste. Now, if I try to paste right now, I have to wait for like some few seconds for it to capture that command. So right now, you can see that it has captured the command. I'll now click on paste here. So once I click on paste, you have to paste it inside this box. Don't paste it outside the box. Paste it inside the box for you to be able to see the effect of this Stonebridge new release software. Okay, so you can now see how it has changed automatically everything. So if you check what came from Protastructure, this is how it came from Protastructure. You can see it here. Nothing was automated and all that. But when you now come to, if you now come to the Stonebridge company template, you can see it here. You can now see how it looks like. Everything has been changed, as you can see it here. This was how it came from the Protastructure software, which if you can print out this right now, you will see that it is like a messed up. But if you come to this place right now, you will see how it has just changed, and then you can see how even the columns has been automated, and then also you can see the beams, everything has changed. Now by the end of everything, this is how you will see your drawings being appearing, where you see your columns very well. As you all know that the software Protastructure doesn't do column very well, but this Stonebridge template will help you on that. So I will also teach you. Also, as you can see your slab here, you can see how neatly your slab is, and also your slab section. As you can see it here, you can see your slab and also showing the top bar and the bottom bar, as you can see it here, and also called out everything for you. And then you can also see how it has also arranged it on you also see how to arrange on the template. As you can see your beams here perfectly well. Okay, so I will show you, and you can also see other type of buildings here also. So I will show you how to finish up. This is just the first stage of what we have just done, which, as you can see it here, for the part foundation. Okay, so now let's move on to buildings on white strip foundation or on Raft foundation. So right now I'll just go again just now, and let's go and do for building on a being Raft foundation. So I'll just minimize. Also I'll just go again and then go and look out for on the template again. Okay, for this one right now, this is a classroom building which I designed for, and this was on the Raft foundation. So let me just open this place which is for Protastructure. So I'll open this place right now and then open for the Raft foundation beam. So let me just open this place first, and then let me open here first and then copy this drawing. Okay, this is for part. No, I don't want part foundation, so I just close it up and then open for a Raft foundation. So let me just open the Prota detail for Raft foundation. Okay, so yeah, this is for Raft foundation. As you can see, this is for Raft foundation. As you can see it here, this F means foundation column and this F here means foundation beam. So this came from the software Protastructure. So right now, I'll just go ahead right now and then copy this first. Okay, copy it right now. So once I copy it just now for this Raft foundation, you can see there from Prota detail. So I'll now go and then minimize again, open the software, this Stonebridge template, and then go over to this place here, building on what we have here on Raft foundation. So this is one to click. I'll just click it right now and then wait for it to open that template automatically. Then I'll now paste my drawing there. So if you want this software, I'll say you should check on the link down below. As you have seen the error displayed before, if you didn't get it from the link down below, you begin to see errors on that. So right now again, you will always see on each of the tab, you will always see this box here telling you that this is the place where you have to paste your drawing inside this box here. Now before, last year version was not like this, but they have really changed a lot here. So right now go here right now, go here and then paste that my copied file and paste it inside here. So you can see what it has done so far. Now this is the Raft foundation beam as you can see it here right now. And if you go here and then check on what is here before, this was the one that came from Protastructure as you can see it here. Now this is the one that came from this software Stonebridge company template for pad foundation catalog or template as you can see it here. Okay, so I'll also show you how to change all these later, which I'll also work on this for you also. Okay, so if you also check here, you also see some samples here also given to you for Raft foundation. As you can see it here, this is for Raft foundation, and you also see other samples also. This is the Raft foundation slab detailing where you have to call the button reinforcement top and the top button, which I will also teach you all that later. And you also see the Raft bin as you can see it here. This is the Raft bin. As you can see how neatly this software have detailed the bin perfectly compared to what the software gave us before, which is the Protastructure as I see it here. This one came from Protastructure, while this one right now came from the software. This Stonebridge template, as you can see it here, and neatly labeled Gramping 1, giving the size for you. As you can see, the size here also tallies. Now, this is the one that came from Protastructure. You just name it FB1, FB2, which is not okay. But right now, this Stonebridge template will help you to now group. It will help you to group all your beams together and perfectly named, as you can see it here, and also put in detail, as you can see just now for you. Okay, so I'll also show you other ones also, but for now, this is the one that I just have to show you right now. This is just to say Happy New Year. Now we'll be working on this we'll be working on this Stonebridge template, which I'll have to show you each of them as we go on for this year. And before the first quarter of this year, we should be done on all this. Now I will show you in full details. Last year we didn't do much on the detailing for last year, but for this year we will do more on structural detailing, which I will show you also all about structural detailing. Okay, thank you so much and God bless you. We love you, and then look out for the next. Okay, bye.